As you can tell by the title, today I have a Shein haul for you guys. I'm not even going to waste my time telling you what Shein is because I'm pretty sure every girl on this planet knows what Shein is. We're not even going to waste time. The first item is this top that I have on. It's giving me very much 21 because your girl's turning 21. This is the first top. It's a halter neck situation with a completely open back and this cross detail over here. I'm gonna leave everything linked down below with my sizes, but I'll probably also tell you the size that I've got. This is an extra small. I wear 32-34B, and this is, it's fine, like it works. If your torso region isn't as long, you probably won't be able to do this tie situation without folding this one. Even I had to fold it a little bit because this is the length normally, so I just scrunched it up so that I could do this. I had to get the shoulder bag and the glasses. How could I not? A staple color is black. I really did want to get a blue one that I saw and it's out of stock now. These are the glasses. I'm pretty sure you've seen them on every other Shein haul in the world. I don't think I need to tell you more about these glasses. I also got these earrings over here. So there's 4 pairs of earrings, and they all range, they all have different sizes and kind of like a different shape, but these are really cool. I was kind of scared of holding them because I thought that the color would just melt onto my hand, and it probably will at some point, but out of the bag they're fine. 10 out of 10 would recommend everything I'm wearing right now. These very cheap and very good for the price. This material is a lot thicker than I expected it to be. I expected it to be flimsy, but it does give a lot of support. But also, since it's a halter neck, you know, your neck does most of the work, but the material is good too. The next item is this crop top. I'm really hoping that this is not transparent. It's giving me a little bit see-through, but hopefully it's fine. This is the top. It's the open back style, and I got this in a short sleeve because it's way too hot to be wearing long sleeve tops. And this is not part of the top. I just took a shoelace and tied it, and it worked. I'm shocked. This kind of detail situation here has been trending for a little bit long, and Shein does have a pair of pants that has this detail, and they just came back in stock, so hopefully you can get your hands on that if you like the style. In terms of quality, I wish it was a little bit thicker just to give more support. I think I got it in a small and extra small, but quality wise I'm kind of disappointed by it. I really needed it to give, you know, more. This next top is extremely out of my comfort zone, but it really paid off. I actually really like this, but I'm not allowed to lift up my arms while wearing this, which I don't think I usually lift up my arms, but then again I wouldn't know because most of my tops allow me to lift up my arms. I got this one in a medium and it fits more like a small. Honestly, like my arms are a little bit like they're suffocating a little bit, but that's okay. Also, the material is not what I expected it to be. Like, I didn't expect it to be anything, but also I didn't expect it to be this, you know. I don't Can you see what material this is? I don't know what it's called. The material doesn't change the print, which is what drew me to it. The print is so spectacular. I have seen it a few times already on TikTok, so if you like it, you better go and run and go get it because it might just get sold out super quickly. The next item is the skirt, and I'm gonna go onto the bed so you can see it. And I'm not gonna turn around because it's not gonna work if I turn around, okay? It kind of reminded me of why I don't like skirts. Not because the skirt is not nice, but like I can't, like I could, but I just don't like how it looks on me. The skirt is actually nice. It's a faux leather cream skirt. I thought it was white, but it's not white, and for some reason I got it in a small and it fits me like a small. Obviously I should have gotten a medium. I don't know what came over my head when I got a small. I don't know. I don't know, because I'm not a small in skirts and like pants and stuff. I don't know. It is a cool, like I'm looking at myself in the mirror, like it's a cool skirt, but I wouldn't be able to leave my house in this because if I turn around then it's over. It's a pretty good skirt for its price, even the like faux leatherness of it all, even though it smells kind of weird, which is expected. I say that I want to look 21 and then I go and buy basically a school shirt. Where's the logic in that? I don't know. There was a thought process behind it, you know, like, so, you know, when you think something is gonna look nice and you like imagine the whole outfit and then you get the thing and you're like, what was I thinking? I think that's what happened here, but it is quite nice actually. I don't think I would be able to wear this as just a top though, because it's a tiny bit too you know, and this is a medium, so I would have had to get a large if I wanted to wear it closed and have it a little bit looser, because this, once again, it kind of feels like a small. I actually think it looks cool. Like the upper half of my body I think looks cool. I don't know how it looks with the skirt. Let me move back a little bit. I'm going to figure out how to style these two pieces separately, and I'm probably going to post a picture on my Instagram, so you can follow me there. This is the last item that I got, and it has tied for my favorite piece of this haul with the black top that I showed you guys first. It is this contrast seam asymmetrical color block top, and the back is green and brown, which just beautiful color combo. And these kids upstairs are making so much noise. Oh my gosh, I hope you can hear. This is another top that I've got in a medium, but really feels like a small. If you've got a bigger chest than me, then I would really recommend you size up, because this is a bit suffocating, and the material is actually quite thick. I didn't expect that, but it's really good material actually. And yeah, it's thick, so it's tight, but like it's wearable, and if I lift up my arms, nothing happens. It's a little bit longer than the other crop top that I could not lift my arms in, but I'm definitely working up a sweat just talking and moving in this top. It's the heat, I tell you. I think they have this top in maybe like 6 versions. There's this one, there's a sleeveless one, there's a long sleeve one, there is a one shoulder one. There's so many different types. You really just have to look and like scroll up and find them in the other like recommendations, I guess. I really don't like colors, but this has sold me. This has sold me. I am officially going to be wearing all the colors of the rainbow. The last thing I actually forgot to show you guys are these rings that are meant to be one size fits all, but hold on, let me show you that it's not one size fits all. And I know my fingers are not big. Well, they could be big, but still, if it's one size fits all, it's supposed to fit me. And look at this. It could go past, but it's gonna get stuck. The only finger it really fits on is my pinky. This is such a pretty ring, and it just doesn't go past my bones. So it came with this ring, this one, and this one, so it's a 3-pack. And yeah, it doesn't fit, and I'm annoyed, but you know, okay. Don't believe Shein when they tell you one size fits all, they're lying. So that is officially the last thing in this video. If you're wondering about shipping, I'm currently in Angola and I paid about $25 to get it shipped here. DHL delivered it and it took about 2 weeks. If you're in South Africa, I think it also takes about the same time, but it's a lot cheaper. I think it should be around $9 or $10. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, so that Shein can send me the stuff next time and we can have a bigger 21 haul. Okay, this doesn't really make me look 21. Give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel so you can see more fun hauls.